दिनांक 16 आषाढ शेती 1940 अर्थात 7 जुलै 2018 आमच्या आजच्या प्रसारणासह आपलं मनपूर्वक स्वागत. आता अजून 57 मिनिटं झाली.
And we are just starting for Chandigarh. We are still at Jaipur
and all set for the journey. Let's hope that we cover the distance in time and reach there and take some rest for tomorrow's journey.
Okay guys, so we actually stopped at Bajrangbali temple. It's a swambhu, means like जो प्रतिमा है हनुमान जी की वो अपने आप से ही, and this is the main temple actually. We are just standing in front of the main veranda. So we are done with the darshan and back to our route. We haven't made any stop yet for our lunch, but we are expecting some good dhabas on the way.
Always.
Mohit sir is trying to sleep, but yes, Vivek is driving from continuously from 5.5 hours. So we have finally taken a stop at approximately nearby location to Karnal. If I can show you, this is Punjabi Deluxe Dhaba. It's quite hot, it's more than 40 degrees Celsius actually right now.
Another lap to be completed from somewhere near Panipat to Chandigarh, and we just had some light, you can say a late lunch. So on the highway now, Mohit bhai is driving.
6:43 now, so we took around 45 minutes roughly.
खून निकालने वाली चीज।
सीधा पाकिस्तान ड्राइव करने वालों के साथ। ये देख 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 देख
कहाँ जाएगा?
थोड़ा रेफ करो सर, रेफ करो। हाँ हाँ
देगा तो।
ओडिशा में आए।
Hello guys, so it's 10:30 and we have actually stopped at the check post on the way to Pango Lake. So you know they make an entry that okay, but who all have been to that place. So it's a very beautiful place if you can see a little bit around. Yeah. So once we are done with that, like done with the formalities, we will move ahead to the Pango Lake. We'll spend some time and then we'll move back to Leh. And once we reach to Leh, we'll actually have a plan as of now to spend one day there, and so that you know we can go around a little bit to the local market and Moon's Land and all. I mean, there would be some other places which we have to check, but all we can cover up, and then we'll move back to Pune. So we'll go via Srinagar, Jammu. On the way to Pangong Lake, we saw green, dust, ice, desert, and water. started from the lake some time back. We decided to take a route to Leh via Changla Pass, and we just stopped here, the world's second highest pass, Changla. It is at 17,688 feet. And started from Leh, we are at petrol pump, so we will hit Kelang maybe in late night. We'll stay there, and tomorrow morning we'll start from Kelang to Manali, and via this we'll see where to stop in between.
So we are stuck. सामने एक लैंडस्लाइड हो गया है, तो यहाँ पे हम सारे आज गाड़ी में सो रहे हैं. सनी की हालत बुरी हो रही है.
And we are forced to sleep in car, and with no food, nothing. Yeah, and we do have some snacks. And you can see it's pretty cold, maybe 7 to 9 degrees or something like that.
Let me tell you.
Yeah. So we'll sleep. We are hoping that the guys from Bro will come early in the morning and clear up some route so that we can proceed. But otherwise, we are stuck. Good morning, guys. So it's 7:30 and we have already spent our night waiting to the landslide to be clear. But somehow people are trying to remove the stones by themselves. So it's been a couple of hours. We are waiting, but then I hope that we'll get some help within some time, and then we'll be able to cross this point. रुकने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, रुकने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. आगे लो, मोटर पीछे रुक रहे हैं. We've been continuously driving since yesterday morning. We started from Kiratpur and then we just crossed MP. So we have already entered into Maharashtra. We are still, I think, for approximately 80 to 85 kilometers to Dhule. Once we reach there, we'll obviously move ahead towards the Pune. We had taken one small break in between for breakfast and all. But yes, we'll see if we really have to take any other break for lunch or something.